The first way we use the Stampinator at MaidLab, and actually one of our preferred ways, is to pre-stamp the garment. I'll show you how it works. With each of these prints, I'm going to be doing a comparison versus the standard way of printing. So the first print I'm going to do is just a print flash print. That's a standard print flash print without a pre-press. To a pre-press, we pre-press the garment before the underbase, using a standard flash to overprint it. We pre-press for 3 seconds at 330 degrees. This creates a smooth printing surface, but a natural screen print feel. I can already tell from the pre-pressed garment that the screen cleared easier, not leaving any ink behind. Damn! Look at this. So that's just the pre-press. This is no pre-press.